In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use one-click trading in MetaTrader 5. One-click trading is designed for speed. It lets you open market orders with a single click, which can be incredibly useful in fast-moving markets. Because it bypasses the usual confirmation window, it's important to set it up carefully and understand exactly how it behaves before you rely on it. First, let's turn it on. Open the main settings by going to Tools, then Options, or use the shortcut Ctrl+O if you prefer the keyboard. In the Options window, switch to the Trade tab. Here, look for the setting labeled One-Click Trading and check that box to enable it. When you do this for the first time, MetaTrader 5 will show a disclaimer. Take a moment to read the terms so you understand that orders will be sent immediately without a confirmation step. When you're comfortable, accept the terms and click OK. At this point, one-click trading is active. Now let's use it on a chart. Open a chart for any instrument you want to trade, for example, a popular currency pair like EUR/USD. In the top left corner of the chart, you'll see the one-click panel. It's simple and intentionally compact. There's a blue buy button, a red sell button, and a field where you set your lot size, sometimes called the volume. Before placing a trade, set the volume you want to use by typing your desired lot size into that field. Be sure it matches your plan, because this value is what the platform will use the moment you click. A quick tip: get in the habit of glancing at the lot size ECI each time you switch charts or instruments, as it can carry over from previous trades. When you're ready, a single click on buy or sell will send a market order immediately. There's no extra pop-up and no final question. The trade opens instantly at the current available price. That means speed, but it also means responsibility. Double-check the instrument and the lot size before you press the button, and be mindful of volatility and possible slippage during fast moves. That's all there is to it. Enable one-click trading in the options window, accept the terms, open your chart, confirm the volume, and place your order with a single click. With a bit of practice, you'll appreciate how quickly you can execute trades while staying focused on the price action.